Welcome back to Quiz Panda. Today's video is the Would You Rather Luxury School Life Edition. Get ready to make your dream school choices. You can only 7 seconds to choose. No pausing, no cheating, only fast decisions. But before we start, if you love fun quizzes, cool challenges, and cute panda energy, hit that subscribe button right now and join the Quiz Panda squad. Ready? Let's begin. Choose your school, luxury vibes only. Pick your dream campus. Choose your teacher, strict genius or fun mentor. Choose your school bag. Style meets personality. Choose your playground. Where will you rule recess? Choose your notebook, because aesthetics matter. Find Roomy. 3 rotating computer desks on your screen. Somewhere, Roomy is hiding. Look carefully, watch closely. Found her? Yes! Incredible spotting skills. Choose your calculator. Smart and stylish. Choose your pencil case. Tiny but powerful. Choose your crush. School life just got interesting. Choose your lunch. Fuel your luxury energy. Choose your transportation. Arrive like a star. Choose your uniform. Drip level maximum. Pick your task. Comment 3 words starting with S. Comment 3 words starting with A. Comment 3 words starting with D. Let's see those creative brains. Choose your hairstyle. Fresh look, fresh confidence. Choose your AirPods. Music is life. Choose your classroom. Dream learning zone. Choose your desk. Your personal space of focus, creativity, and big classroom dreams. Choose your shoes. Step into style, confidence, and unstoppable school energy. Choose your lunchbox because great minds need legendary fuel. Would you rather? Choose carefully. This tiny decision could change your whole school day. Choose your school garden, a peaceful escape, or your aesthetic hangout spot. Choose your school library, not quiet genius zone or cozy chill paradise. Choose your pet. Pick your adorable companion for ultimate school vibes. Choose your support. Every school hero needs their secret power. Choose your phone. Stay connected, stylish, and ultra modern. Choose your pens. Smooth, bold, or colorful. Pick the one that writes your school story. Choose your roller skates. Glide through school like a true trendsetter. Choose your school entrance. First impressions matter. Match the pieces. Focus your eyes. Only sharp minds win this challenge. Choose your locker. Your tiny kingdom of secrets, snacks, and surprises. Choose your seat, front row boss or backbench legend. Choose your kettle, because even luxury students love cozy moments. Choose your subject, where your talents shine and your future begins. Choose your principal, the ruler of rules or the master of motivation. Choose your trash can. Clean style matters, even for tiny details. Choose your ice cream. Sweet decisions are the hardest ones. Choose your sofa. Comfort level, maximum relaxation mode. Choose your cafeteria, where friendships, laughter, and food collide. Choose your dessert. One bite closer to happiness. Choose your plush. Pick your cutest stress buddy companion. Choose your vending machine. Snack destiny awaits your choice. Choose your Starbucks. Luxury school life needs luxury drinks. Choose your stadium, where champions rise and crowds cheer. Choose your bakery shop. Power up your gadgets. Power up your day. Wow, Quiz Panda Legends! You just completed the Luxury School Life Challenge. Comment your favorite choices below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.